Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with AWS Bedrock easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register with AWS Bedrock, begin by navigating to the AWS Management Console. If you do not have an AWS account, click on the Create an AWS Account button. Follow the prompts to enter your email address, create a password, and choose your account type. Once your account is created, sign in to the AWS Management Console using your credentials. In the search bar at the top, type Bedrock and select it from the drop-down. You will be directed to the AWS Bedrock service page. Review the details on the page to ensure it meets your needs. Click on the Get Started button to proceed. Next, you may need to set up billing information if it is your first AWS service. Follow the prompts to enter your payment details and confirm your account setup. After setting up your billing, return to the Bedrock service page. You may need to select your region from the available options. Make sure to choose a region that supports AWS Bedrock. Now, you will be prompted to create an IAM role for Bedrock. Select Create IAM Role and follow the instructions to set permissions. Ensure the role has permissions related to Bedrock services. Once your IAM role is created, return to the Bedrock service page. Here, you will see options to start using Bedrock. Follow the step-by-step instructions to select the models and configurations you wish to use. Finally, click the Create button to officially register and start using AWS Bedrock. Congratulations, you are now registered with AWS Bedrock and ready to explore its features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.